Hans de Jong, and I look after consumer electronics for Sharp here in Australia. So I'm the head of CE and look after sales and marketing. We have a team of about 140 and we service more than 1,000 stores. Our sales team look after all the national retailers here in Australia, and they make sure that our products are displayed correctly, right pricing, but they also maintain a relationship with the store. They need to know about the store's performance, about SKU performance, and really help and provide insight for those retailers. The competition is very high, so you need to be efficient and competitive. So at Sharp we implemented Salesforce Field Service Lightning, and what it allows us to do is to optimize the scheduling of our sales reps. It structures the sales call and standardizes the sales call and allows us to get information back out of the market.
Before there was a lot of downtime basically in writing things down and using paper trail rather than electronic trails. And you never knew your history of what you did last time.
I can truly say that the people at ProQuest are the experts at Field Service Lightning. It took us only 4 weeks to actually come to an MVP and 8 weeks before going fully live. What we did was a full integration of Salesforce and SAP. So we integrated all our sales, product and pricing information and really put that at the fingertips of the reps in the field. Working with ProQuest, it was really like they were part of the Sharp team. They were really able to translate requirements and challenges that we had to actual solutions and what it would look like in practice.
Favourite feature is basically logging the data and knowing the full history is there. What happened last time, you can now see where you're heading and what improvements you need to make to bring that count up to speed.
What really impressed me and stood out for me was their framework and structure and governance that they used in their project management, which allowed us to have full transparency and deliver on time. We were able to reduce the time a rep needs to spend in store significantly, because we can now analyze, evaluate and optimize what they're doing in stores. So we're looking at a 30% reduction there. The overall number of visits has increased, which of course has an impact on our sales. We see ProQuest as a true partner and a long-term partner, and the reason for that is they have really guided us from beginning to end. And it's very exciting to see what we can do with the right technology and the right partner.